loves, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys a house tour of our house in Florida. If you guys are a bit lost and not sure what's going on, I will have a video linked down below for you guys to watch. It is a video that I posted before this one, and it's sharing all the details of why we bought a second house in Florida, because we are now using that vacation home to rent out on Airbnb and VRBO for you guys to stay there too. And let's get into it. I'm just so excited. Let's just get right into it. All right, so here is a tour of the house, which I'm so excited about. So when you come in, there's this bench here, but you could actually put garbage inside of here and they come by and pick it up every single day, which is awesome. You can't even tell that it's where you put garbage. And then you go on inside. We do have a Ring doorbell, which was already installed, and then a lock pad. That way our guests can come in and out whenever they please. And then here's our house. It is 5 beds, 5 baths. Here's the entryway. Excuse all of our shoes. And then over on this side, we're going to put a mirror here. There was another one, but it looked really outdated, so we are going to replace it. And then over here is our table that we also replaced. We got rid of a lot of furniture, but this is some of the things that we have done. We still need to do more to it, but this is a nice little entryway. And then as you come in, we have upstairs. Over here on your right, you have a closet, a bathroom, and then 2 twin beds, which we're going to convert this into the Star Wars room. There's this nifty little guitar, which is pretty cool. And then you have this poster board, which I also like to. I think my brother would love that, but it is not Disney themed, so we want to make sure that these are Disney themed. And everything looks pretty good in this room. I think this is one of the most decorated rooms. We will be redoing all of this soon. We had a dresser over here, but we put that inside the closet to create more space. And we're going to add a mural here and some artwork. And as you come over here, you see the living room and the dining room. This is a temporary table that we have right now. Our table that we have planned to put here has not arrived. It's still being shipped, but we do plan to put these accent chairs on the side. And then we brought down the curtain rod already. We have to patch up those holes over there. We're going to get rid of this mirror. Every single morning, this sun comes over here. And if you're eating here during breakfast time, it's in your face. We're going to replace this mirror with some wallpaper, which I'm so excited. It's from Wall Splash. And they have the most beautiful wallpaper, which I'm so excited. Can't wait to show you guys. It looks so nice. Over here, this is the living area, which is pretty spacious. We've done a lot to it. I'll show you guys before pictures of what it looked like before. Ricardo's over here helping me clean. One of our favorite things about this house was the tall ceiling in the living room. It's pretty awesome. I feel like it connects the whole house because you can see upstairs, and it has a really good living area. So we've already replaced some of the furniture, as you guys can tell. We still need to hide the wires over here, but overall, I think it looks really nice. It definitely helped brighten up the room because the furniture that was here before was all dark like this, and it just looked really outdated. It looked like it was from the early 90s, and the decor pieces were not that great, but I feel like this right here really brightened up the room, and it's more inviting now. Over on the right, we have the kitchen. I love the open concept, and as you can tell, we are still working in the kitchen, but we did replace the light fixtures and the bar stools. And then over here, we have the pool area, the patio. Let's open it up. I started labeling some things. Haven't completely finished, but have some things here. So this right here, this fence actually sticks to the ground through these poles so that it's safe for kids, and it's removable. So you could just lift it up if you'd like, and expose all of the pool area, or if you have little children here with you outside, you can put the fence up so you don't have to worry about them getting inside the pool. We replaced some of the furniture that's out here, including these, and I love the seats. They're so bright and beautiful, and I love the wicker on the patio. We have a grill out here that came with the house. Not sure if we're keeping that or replacing it. I love the steps. The kids were playing on the steps and it was perfect for us in the pool. And then the spa area. We have a hot tub, which after the parks, you know, that's the first place you want to come home to, is you just want to relax and put your feet in here, and it feels amazing. We still have all of this that we need to work on. Ricardo built this the other day. We wanted somewhere really comfortable to sit on and have a little bit of shade. So this was perfect. You could just lounge here, watch the kids play, or get in yourself, and it's really awesome. And then we have to get rid of this furniture. This is the furniture that came with the house. It's okay, but it's not fun and it's not bright. And we wanted to add some fun colors. We still need to get some cushions for that. But overall, it looks great, and it's been really fun out here with the kids. Straight from the pool, there's a door here to the master suite, and this is the bathroom connected to it, where it's awesome because anybody who comes out of here wet can go straight to the bathroom and change instead of having to go through the house where it's freezing cold from the AC and have to get the floor wet. So it's nice that this door is right here, so if anybody has to go to the bathroom, they could easily go inside here and come back out. On the first floor, we have the master suite, which we already replaced the chandelier on top here, and then we are going to keep this bed frame because it matches the theme that we're going for. And this one is really beautiful. I didn't have to change much to this, the design, when we were looking at it, because it's already really nice. We're going to add some curtains here on top as well as on this side, and we're going to replace the frames. And then this is the bathroom over here, and it has the updated towel. This actually leads out to the pool. So the room is right over here, and then it leads out to the pool. Over here we have the garage, and we are planning to put up a wall here so this gets covered and convert it into a game room. They already installed the AC unit, and we have some things here laying around. We have the foosball table, the gaming chairs, the TVs with the TV entertainment area, and then the contractors put up that decal. We plan to replace that with a mural. The person who's doing our mural upstairs is going to probably do something down here, but we just haven't decided fully yet. This looks great for now. And then we have another gaming chair, the carpet, some bar stools, and then this is really cool. We've been playing it since we got here. It's really awesome to have a arcade game in here. And overall, it looks really good. So it'll be nice and cool with the AC unit, and it has a good space for a game room. So everything's a work in progress right now, but this is our laundry room, and it has two doors leading from the hallway and then into the kitchen as well. Don't mind this, we got this when we were at Disney Springs and the kids love it. But up here we are going to have some detergent pods to make it easier. We're gonna have that stocked for our guests. And then everything that you see up here are just a bunch of towels and comforters and extra things for the house, extra linens for the guests. Down here we have more stock of different things and makeup, towels. That way our guests don't get our towels stained, which it's gonna happen, but hopefully they use the darker towels that are going to be available for them. But we do have a washer and dryer, which is nice. And then we have this really cool towel rack, which I will show how to use. And then we're gonna make sure we put an ironing board and iron. And then I even have a steamer that I'm leaving here. I bought that for myself, absolutely loved it, but I'm gonna leave it here for our guests And then we have a first aid kit. And then over on this side, we have the stairs going up to the second floor. As you can tell, I recorded some of these clips on different days because now I'm going to show you what the upstairs looks like. And in this bathroom, I feel like we don't have to do anything. The entire house came furnished and decorated. And as I mentioned throughout the video, we did switch out some of the furniture, but inside the bathrooms, they were already great. We just have to fix a few things here and there, but overall, they just look really, really good. And this is my favorite room of the entire house. This is a second master suite. It is upstairs in the second floor, and then I love the shower. Oh my goodness, it was like paradise in there. The pressure and the water, it was great. There's also a room for the toilet, which is nice, and then here it leads onto the master bedroom. It has a king size bed, like the same size as the one downstairs, and it has 2 closets, one right here to include all the linens if you want. And then I love this mirror, full-size mirror. I feel like every single Airbnb needs to have one of these because whenever I'm getting ready, I need to see what my whole outfit looks like. And so this one was perfect. I'm glad that it already came with the house. We're not going to change much in this room. The master suites are going to have very subtle hints of Disney, but I figured that for the children, we would theme out those rooms, but not so much the master suites. But that's okay. We still want to add little hints here and there, and this is going to be Belle's suite, which I think the furniture is perfect for it. Okay, so up here we have this nook, and as you can tell, the kids kind of took over it already. We are going to replace these couches. Pretty much everything in this room is going to go, and it's really cool. So this is right off where you can see downstairs. We have a lot of light coming in. This looks really nice. And this space is actually really cozy and we love it, but I think we have to make sure that we update the furniture. And then over here is where the other 2 rooms are. So don't mind the stuff that we have laying around because that room is going to be decorated. So this room right here has a king-size bed, which is really nice. We already have the boxes from the bunk beds that we're going to add. So we're going to add double bunk beds so 4 people can sleep in this room. It is one of the biggest besides the master bedrooms. What's really nice is that every bedroom has its own bathroom, which I forgot to film 2 of the bathrooms, but they look pretty similar. And then this is the smallest bedroom out of the 5, but it still fits a really good sized bed. It fits a queen, and this is going to be the Cinderella or the princess room, which I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like already because we have a mural on the wall and it's Cinderella being turned into a princess, which is really awesome. And then this right here, everything was very simple, but we're going to make it look really awesome. And this is the bathroom that's closest to the princess room. So the other 2 just looks just like this. Just imagine that I already showed you guys this twice already. We have put a lot of work into this house, and we've also been enjoying all the parks while being here and also all the amenities of the resort. And I want to share with you guys a sneak peek of one of the rooms that's almost finished. All right, so this room is not completely finished, but it looks amazing already. We're gonna switch out the covers for something that has more design on it. We're still gonna frame this right here, but it looks awesome. It looks so cool. And then over on this wall, we still have to put the posters, but overall, it looks awesome. House shopping can be very overwhelming, especially when it's in a different state, but there was some things that were really, really important and 3 major things that were a priority. Number 1 was, of course, we wanted to be close to the Disney parks. We wanted to be as close as possible so that way it'll just be so much easier and people love staying closer to the parks. Another thing that was really important to us was for the house to be located inside a resort community that was gated for everybody's safety and for it to have great amenities, and we absolutely fell in love with this one. And the third thing was that we wanted to make sure that it had plenty of space for bigger families like ours. Of course, since we want a vacation there, we want to bring all of our family with us. So we had to make sure that it had 5 bedrooms or more and at least 3 to 4 baths. And we actually got 5 beds, 5 baths, which is awesome. We are going to be launching really soon, and your feedback is what's helping us get this process moving forward a lot faster. I am taking in all of your suggestions. I know many of you guys had some wonderful suggestions, and we actually have incorporated those suggestions into what we're going to be doing for our guests. I will have a link down below where you guys can find out more about our Airbnb, when it will launch, and if you sign up for the newsletter, it will let you know as soon as we launch, and we will be giving discounts to the first few who book with us. This is such an exciting chapter in my life, and thank you so much for coming along with me. I will make sure to leave you guys any updates over on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me over there, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Muchos besos. Mwah!